Know which way to go because we got lost, guys. Nawala kami sa Chicago. So, teka lang. Ito na yan. Binigyan ko yung kwento niya. What? Ayaw mo nga! Bebe, you help me explain it,
oh my gosh, guys.
Okay.
Too much info, Jo.
Ito? Okay. Sige. Sige.
Ako ba? Ikaw?
You continue.
Okay.
So first, we went to Chicago Outlet. So, we did some shopping, yes. And then,
Am I with you guys there?
no.
Oh,
Sorry.
goodbye.
And then, Mika booked an Uber for, yes, 5. For 5.
The characters are me, Ate Jo, Ate Colette, Nix, Taco.
Yeah. She booked an Uber. Because we were carrying a lot of stuffs and it was really heavy. Pero malapit lang yung hotel, malapit. Sobrang lapit lang, 5 minutes walk.
And then, near, and then, ayan na, sakay na kami sa Uber. Ayan. Oh, cheers ako na, oh, thank you, Mix. Ayan, oh.
Hey,
Diba,
you're
baba?
still gonna pay, okay?
Okay, later. Eh di, ayan na, binaba na kami sa hotel. Sabi namin, is this it? Tapos kasi ang palatandaan namin, yung ano natin, yung bus. If nakapark na doon. Tapos, ay, alam na. Anyways, so yun yung palatandaan namin. So sabi namin, hindi, baka nasa likod lang nakapark.
And before that, we asked Mika several times, Mika, are you booking?
Wait, let me explain.
Location.
First of all, the original hotel was right beside it, okay?
No.
It was.
That was
But
far.
Okay, don't fight.
Okay.
Fighting.
you still owe me $4.
No fighting, please. She's crying.
Bebe, don't cry.
And then what happened next?
Hirap na mag-explain.
Yeah, so nandun na kami sa hotel. Kami ni Mika, we were looking for our room. Room 621. What? Tapos naman Tapos naman room 336. So it's 621 and then we were looking for our room. Tapos wala siya. Parang yun lang yung walang room.
Yes.
So naghahanap kami.
Pero sa amin ni Shi,
Meron.
meron room 336. So,
Pero hindi nag-work.
Pero ganun kami na ganun, no? Bebe, it's not working. It's not working. Why it's not working?
Yeah, and then...
Na-realize namin lahat.
And then, na-realize namin lahat mahali yung hotel. Ang dami namin pinamili. Nakaganon kami lahat o lumipat. Buti mo lang room. We called Mommy Jo pa. Oh yeah, we called our manager. We called our mother, Miss MQ, and then we said, Mother, we're lost kasi medyo nagpapanik na ako deep inside. Yung pala, she said, just go to blah blah hotel. Tapos paglingon namin, andun lang.
Oh, see, it's here!
We just panic and it's organic.
Yes, we're just human beings.
We're just human. It's normal. It's normal.
So, ang nakuha nating story doon,
It's okay to panic.
yes,
It's organic. That's the moral lesson. So,
Okay.
But, out of my head yun. Wala tayo sa control.
so what do you feel, Nix? What do you feel?
Okay lang,
that
hindi pa ako
moment?
I already said
Hindi pa ako nagbayad.
sorry.
Hindi pa ako nagbayad sa kanya.
Alam nyo, a lot of you guys haven't paid me yet. Not just this Uber.
I paid now.
Okay, let's get back on track.
Okay, don't fight.
Yes, okay, that's valid.